Hello and welcome to this CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2019 tutorial for Windows. In this tutorial, we will explore the exciting symmetry function. For those of us using Illustrator, there isn't a native symmetry function yet. We're going to recreate this tiger, and we'll start by getting rid of half of the content because we'd like an absolutely perfect bilateral symmetry. That is, we want both sides exactly the same. We'll select the object, head over to the Object menu, choose Symmetry, and create New Symmetry. Corel has created a pretty convincing bilateral symmetry. By turning off Show Full Preview on the Properties bar for the symmetry, we can see that we're slightly out in terms of alignment. Let's turn it on again and it becomes more obvious. By making sure that we have the Show Symmetry lines visible, that's the last button on that property bar, we're able to get a perfect alignment. So it's simply click and drag. That's looking good. Let's explore how easy it is to create symmetry objects. We'll draw irises for the eyes. I'm going to do just one eye, and because we're in symmetry mode, Corel will reflect it to the other eye. Using Control, I'm drawing a perfect ellipse, or circle in this case, getting rid of the outline and fill with black. Job done. So let's go ahead and zoom out and have a look at the final result. That looks pretty compelling. We'll hit the Finish button, and it looks great on its background. The next type of symmetry object we'd like to explore is a rotational symmetry, where you're working with things like mandalas. For Illustrator users, you could use Polar Grid and the Transform Each function, or you could buy a plugin called Mirror Me to get a similar type of result. We're going to head over to Symmetry once again with the object selected and create New Symmetry. Now it's simply a case of adding more faces to our symmetry. That's 2, that's 3, 4, 5, and so on. So 7 looks good in this example. Let's zoom in and look at the final result.